Sengkang grant is a project at a campus where above is a mixed development, below is the shopping mall, on top is the residential. This is the most fashion way of the project development. Similar concept is Bedok Mall, North Point, as well as a handful of other developments. The project is located at the Bangkok MRT station. The place has been empty for quite some time. There is a primary school just beside and a lot of residential buildings. The challenging of the project is that the MRT tunnel running directly below of the job site. So first of the job is to erect the hoarding to defend the boundary, followed by the gate erection for the ingress as well as the egress. So once the hoarding is done, the developer cannot wait anymore. They must put the marketing sign on the hoarding. In this photo, we also can see that the building contractor. So this is the view showing the initial stage of the soil excavation. The 2 water bomb is for ECM treatment system. Close up, we can see the water is quite clean. The contractor has put in a lot of effort to ensure that no silly water discharge. Site office also is being well designed and placed directly beside of the hoarding, which can maximize the space usage for the construction activity. The project official name is Sengkang Grand Residence. This is the project signboard, the joint developed by Capital Land and the CDL. So after the basement foundation is done, next one is to erect the tower crane. Sometimes the tower crane cannot come up fast enough because of the bar cap or the slab die back. So some kind of the mobile crane or crawler crane is deployed. That's why in this photo you can see 2 plus 1. And in this photo, you can see there's multiple tower crane as well as 2 number of mobile crane to expedite the job. Once the basement is done, it's time for the substructure. In this photo, a lot of the HDB block at the background, as well as there is an elephant bump, which is commonly being used to dispatch concrete to the proper location. So always the construction coming in sequential, from one end to another end, or from 2 ends come to center. It will be a bad idea to start everywhere because you will lose track and always there will be clash of the access. So in this photo, you can see very clearly they are starting from the left hand side, move on to the right hand side. Left hand side already they achieve level 3, while the right hand side they are starting from the basement. This is good planning sequence. So similarly, left and from the sequence is from left to right. Tower crane deployed is a hammerhead tower crane. This kind of tower crane is cost saving, yet it also can achieve the same productivity. Tower crane is called the national bird of Singapore. So in this view, there are 3 of them, and also you can see the high shoring scaffolding. This system called VDEC system is being set up. So normally for the pleasant of the view, normally the development always asking for the lower floor to be high void. That's why in this photo you can see the high scaffolding being erected, which is after stretch of double volume or even triple volume of the space is being generated. People the pleasant feeling. This is the view from roadside. Another view. So once the high void is scaffold erected, followed by the timber plywood, then the transfer deck will come in. So this is in the photo, the transfer deck already done. So next one, they are starting with the base of the typical floor. Another view of the high shoring. So in this photo, another new toy came in, which is a PVC hoisting frame. This project below is a commercial, on top is residential. PVC is being adopted and just like a Lego building, floor by floor stacking up. Some other ancillary building are using conventional way, so you can still see the external scaffold, you can see the aluminum wall panels. PVC construction always very neat, like this one. You barely is just lay on and connect, that's it. Another view of the PVC side view. This is a non-PVC block. You can see there's a lot of the difference. So looking forward to the completion of this project and can have a chance to go Sengkang Grand shopping. Thanks everybody.